Okay. All right. So, left foot forward, makes sense. So this is about footwork, right? The most basic footwork in our system is that he punches and is here. Now, if you notice, he's not sticking his arm out, right? It's that kind of punch, okay? And what that does, it puts you there. So it's very important now, as he punches and I step out, that happens too. So this initial step is important, right? Right. The next step is really from here. He punches 1, 2. Okay? So that puts you in what we call the position of advantage. And you're not in his power zone. Now, he can punch with the other hand, right? And I can do that punch. Okay, and what can happen here is that. Okay? As you move, or here. Right? So again, just like that side, we call this the pendulum theory, where you swing out and swing in. So, for instance, as he punches and I swing out, if my body's rotating, boom, and I hit him, I can swing the other way, because what this is, the pendulum is a system of stored energy. And that energy moving back here, as I unwind, here comes the next technique. Okay? Or from here comes the next technique. Boom. All right? So it's like that kind of, like the balance wheel in a clock. You swing out, you swing in, kind of practice. So as he punches on that side, I'm here. Now notice my relationship to him. I'm not out here somewhere. I'm right close to him. Because if he tries to first punch, right, and turns his body to punch, he won't be able to. Okay? So, again, 1. So I swing out, which could mean that, or just this. And I swing in, boom, which can mean this or that. Okay? Also from the standpoint of it's easier to deal with an oncoming force by angling outwards, because that oncoming force then gets redirected. If I stand in front of him and try to do that, it wouldn't work. Okay? So again, 1. Now as I move here, I can easily unbalance him. Think about that, okay? Again. Right? I can easily unbalance him. So there's a lot that can happen here, because this is just expose some of his most vulnerable areas. And as it relates to grappling, as he punches and I'm here, as it relates to grappling, a whole lot of stuff can happen here, right? Okay, so it gives you that opportunity to bridge that gap between long and medium range, and then very close range. Okay? So one more time. He punches. 1. Okay? He punches. 2. He punches. 1, 2. And he punches. 1, 2. Okay? So that's some of the most basic footwork in our system.